Okay, so today we're going to talk about one of the most important things that folks ask us about is what happens if you're having a surgery and maybe you're having surgery on your rotator cuff, your elbow, something on your right arm. You'll notice on this chair, the button's over here on the right-hand side. If I'm having surgery on my arm and it's incapable, I can't use it, in order to use that button, I got to lean all the way across here to use it, right? That's not convenient. It's not great. It's a terrible option, to be honest. The other thing that happens is you can see this is kind of a chair and a half. It's a big chair. Now I'm 6 feet tall. I got a little bit longer arms. So for me, not super hard to reach down here and get this button. But for people that are shorter and don't have quite a bit as long arms, or if you're over here cuddling with your dog or your kid, your grandkid or your son, whatever it is, it's hard to reach over there. So there is an option for you, and you can replace that button with a remote, a handheld control that you can now just keep inside your chair that will allow you to do it. And obviously, like I said earlier, is if you've had surgery, you can't keep it on your right-hand side and you want to switch it, we can wire this so that you can now use the remote and still have control over your power headrest and your power recline, all from this button here. And it's very simple to do because the button, this is what the button that's in the chair, this button has two connections because I have power headrest and power recline. So here's my power recline, here's my power headrest, two 5-pin connections. So I can actually just leave this button in here because you don't want to take it out and leave a hole in your chair and have nothing. So you can just leave it, but you're just going to disconnect these from underneath. And if you're watching the video, some of our other videos, you can see how to connect this button control. But this remote has the exact same configuration. Two 5-pin connections, green and yellow. So you can go right underneath there, unplug the current button control, plug this guy in. When you run it up through here, you can run it kind of right through the middle so that you can keep it right here on your left-hand side or on your right-hand side for easy control. Like I said, if you're having surgery on your right-hand arm, shoulder, whatever it is, put it here on your left-hand side and you can control everything the exact same way with this remote.